Good morning, everybody. If you are reading this or watching this, you are in math, and it is Monday, so it's May 4th, day one. We're going to be reading our learning target for our opening. We are going to be watching a fun sing-along YouTube video for our mini lesson about fractions, and then for our work period, we're going to learn how to compare fractions. So you should be watching this video and following along with the slides. And for our closing, you guys will answer a one-question quiz. So our learning target says, I can recognize opposite signs of numbers as indicating locations on opposite sides of zero on a number line. We're doing just that today, guys. We're going to be comparing fractions. So for your mini lesson, you guys are going to be clicking on this video. It's a fun sing-along video about equivalent fractions. And then for your work period, you guys should be following along. My slides in my video will be below this arrow. I'm going to click here so I can show you guys. All right, so we're comparing fractions. That means we're going to use a greater than, a less than, or equal to signs, okay? So let's get started. 6 over 25 and 14 over 25. Well, we know that these numbers are the same, meaning that they have equivalent denominators, okay? They're both equal, 25 and 25. So really the only numbers that we're comparing are 6 and 14. So let's do that. Which number is bigger, 6 or 14? Yep, 14 is way bigger than 20, or is way bigger than 6. So 6 over 25 is less than 14 over 25, okay? This is the bigger one. This is what the alligator's mouth is wanting to eat. He wants to eat that 14. He doesn't want to eat the 6 because it's too small. Now let's look at this one. Same thing. We've got 11 over 42 and 3 over 42. 42 is the same on both, okay? The denominator is the same. So we're only comparing the top numbers. So we've got 11 and 3. Which number's bigger? Yep, 11. The alligator wants to eat 11 pieces of meat compared to 3, right? Because 11 is more. Now, let's say you have something like this, a negative number, okay? You've got 11 over 42 and negative 3 over 42. Well, 42 is the same, okay? So we're only comparing the top numbers. So I drew a little number line here, and we put 11 over here, and we put negative 3 over here. Well, we know when we're dealing with negative numbers, the number to the right is always the bigger number, okay? So that would be 11, okay? 11 is the number that's farthest to the right. So that means that that's the greater number. It's bigger, okay? The alligator wants to eat 11 pieces of meat, not negative 3 pieces of meat. All right? So once you guys are done doing that, you will be clicking activities, quizzes, and you're going to be taking the May 4th quiz, comparing fractions, day one. Thank you guys.